Perched on a cliff, this luxurious villa overlooks the sparkling sea at sunset. An infinity pool and cozy fire pit seating offers serene opulence and breathtaking views. Overlooking the ocean at sunset, this luxurious cliffside villa features a modern infinity pool, circular lounge, and a fire pit, all framed by vibrant pink bougainvillea. This luxurious cliffside villa boasts a large infinity pool and a cozy fire pit patio. Surrounded by lush palm trees, it offers a serene, opulent sunset experience. A luxurious wooden deck perched above a turquoise ocean features a circular stone seating area, modern fire pit, and an infinity pool under a vibrant sunset sky. This luxurious outdoor lounge features comfortable modular seating around an illuminated fire pit. Situated on a spacious wooden deck, it overlooks a serene coastline at deep twilight. A stunning rectangular infinity pool overlooks the sea at sunset. Surrounded by stone terraces and lush greenery, the modern architecture creates a breathtaking scene of tranquil opulence. Built on a hillside, this modern villa features multiple terraced levels, clean architectural lines, and a beautiful infinity pool overlooking the ocean under a golden sunset sky. Overlooking a turquoise bay, this modern villa showcases clean lines, expansive glass, an infinity pool, and a sunken fire pit lounge surrounded by vibrant olive trees. At dusk, this luxurious outdoor lounge offers a beautiful modular sofa around a fire pit. Tiered stone walls and lush palms overlook a calm twilight sea. This modern cliffside villa features expansive glass windows and a stunning infinity pool, blending with the ocean. A sunken fire pit lounge complements the colorful sunset sky. An expansive outdoor living space features a sunken sectional sofa around a modern fire pit. This luxurious setting offers breathtaking ocean views beneath a vibrant golden sunset. A sophisticated cliffside villa overlooks a tranquil ocean. An infinity pool and circular fire pit lounge blend elegantly with nature under a beautifully painted warm sunset sky. This luxurious cliff-top villa overlooks a turquoise sea featuring modern architecture, an infinity pool, and a circular fire pit lounge nestled among inviting lush tropical greenery. A luxurious modern villa boasts an infinity pool overlooking the ocean. A sunken conversation pit with a fire pit and lush palms creates a serene tropical ambiance. An expansive, luxurious infinity pool overlooks the ocean at sunset. A wooden deck features a cozy fire pit surrounded by lush greenery, stone pathways, and an opulent atmosphere.